Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to cancel direct debit on Monzo account on Android. So to cancel a direct debit on your Monzo account, follow these steps. Open the app, tap on the home icon at the bottom left to view your accounts and transactions. Scroll to the Payments tab at the bottom of the screen. In the Payments tab, tap Scheduled at the top, which shows all your recurring payments. Look for the direct debit that you want to cancel and tap on it. Tap the Cancel Direct Debit button at the bottom of the screen. Confirm that you want to cancel it when prompted. Once cancelled, Monzo will notify the merchant and the direct debit will no longer be taken from your account. Keep in mind that you may need to contact the company directly if you need to fully cancel its service, especially if there's an ongoing contract. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully this helps you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I will see you very soon.